Hey everyone! Looking for the best ways to make money online as a beginner? In my full guide, The Best Ways to Make Money Online, I covered 10 different methods. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of my favorites, affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing is a very simple business model where you, as an affiliate marketer, connects the potential customer and the products or services. With that being said, you don't have to have any products. The only thing you have to do is to create content about the products or services that you are familiar with, you trust, and you are comfortable to create content about it, whether it's written content or a video. The goal is to describe the product and or the service so the potential customer is well informed. Once the customer is happy with it, learns about the product, he clicks on your affiliate link and you get a commission. The more people sees your content, the higher chances that you earn a good income. So basically the easiest way would be to join the Amazon Associates program. This is the affiliate marketing program that is very well known all over the world. People do trust Amazon products. It would be easy to convince people that these products are good. Just go to the affiliate-program.amazon.com, and as you can see here, you sign up for the program. You recommend the product and you can earn up to 10% commissions. As you can see on this table, the commissions ranges from 0 to 20%. Of course, the higher the commission, the more difficult it is to sell the product. But once you get familiar with how the affiliate marketing works using the Amazon Associates, you can join a different affiliate programs like, for example, ClickBank, ShareSale, Commission Junction, or CJ.com. Or you can join a specific affiliate program that specific companies offer. For example, Nike affiliate program, where it is described how it works, how much you can earn. And there are many affiliate programs. You can go to Google, type your favorite company. If you are in the fashion industry, you can type fashion affiliate programs, or for example, Crocs affiliate program. If you just click on it, learn more, create a website, create a content, and you can start making commissions. Of course, each business model has its pros and cons. One of the pros that the affiliate marketing has, as I mentioned before, you don't need to create your own product, and it's a great way how to get a passive income. So once you have enough traffic, once you have enough views on YouTube, you don't need to work every day in order to get paid, meaning you can even make money while you sleep. That's one of the biggest pros why people choose affiliate marketing. On the other side, there are the cons, especially when it comes to the organic traffic. As you see, it takes some time till your content appears in the search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. And the same applies to YouTube. Once you start creating some videos, you see that it takes a few weeks up to a few months until your content gets enough views. So basically it takes time to build your audience, but with the proper training and effort, you can start making four figures within 12 to 16 months.
If you found this helpful, check out my complete guide to making money online where I cover 9 other methods that could work for you. The link is in the description. Quick question. Have you tried affiliate marketing? Have you tried any courses? What was the price? Wealthy Affiliate offers a free trial where you have 5 lessons for free. No credit card needed. Check the link below and we can discuss this method inside.